what's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today I'm really excited. Finally I got to upgrade my chair from a $50 cheap office chair. Now I've been using that chair for almost 3 years and I was really tired because this chair started to make some weird noise every time I was recording video, every time I'm recording like the voiceover, like if you guys did watch like my previous video, you guys will hear some weird noise. I was really tired of this and I was looking to buy a new chair, but my budget was like around $150. Most likely I would maybe buy another office chair because I wasn't looking to spend like $300 to $400. So same time Gamdias reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to review one of their chair. Now I feel like maybe they did watch my video and maybe they did hear the squeezing noise coming out of my chair. So then I was like, sure, why not? You know, I'll be more than happy to review one of your chairs because I'm looking to buy a chair anyway. So Gamdias asked me what color chair I want, and I asked them to send me a black and white one, and they were nice enough to send me the black and white one. Now the exact chair I have here, Achilles M1 black and white RGB chair. Now this chair is built like a tank, okay? So it does come with a very strong steel base. So the chair can hold weight all the way up to 440 pounds. Also, the fact I like this chair does come with RGB because I know it's 2019 and we all about RGB and we need our RGB. Now easily you can plug the USB cable to your computer and RGB will start automatically. Also, I like the fact the chair does come with two cushion, one for the head and one for the lumbar back support. And also I like the fact you can lean back all the way to 150 degrees, so you can literally sleep if you want. Also does come with adjustable armrest. Okay, you can turn it around. Okay, you can bring it up or down. I really like that. Now I like the vinyl. It's kind of like advanced leather style, you know, like every new car you get right now, new cars really doesn't come with leather, comes with vinyl. The reason I like vinyl because if you sweat a lot, it doesn't affect the vinyls. Okay, so basically vinyl is basically resistant to sweating. Okay, so that's one good thing, because if you're sitting there for hours summertime and you're playing game, you want something, you don't want to you don't want to destroy your chair. So if you're sweating, your sweat is not going to affect the chair. Okay, so that's one thing I really like. Now compared to my old chair was really small. I'm not that big, I'm only 5'6", but this chair felt so comfortable. Like whenever I'm sitting, it just felt comfortable. It doesn't feel too small, it doesn't feel too big. But even a bigger person, if they sit in this chair, will also feel comfortable because this chair is big, you know, not like my other one. There's a big difference between an office chair and a gaming chair. Okay, if you spend maybe $400 or $500 and buy office chair, yeah, the office chair will be comfortable also, but the gaming chair, you have a lot of stuff that office chair doesn't offer. Like I seen most of the office chair doesn't come with like the lumbar support, and also most of them doesn't come with the head cushion also. So that's the reason I like it. The chair does have Gamdias logo right on the top and also back. Alright guys, so overall I think this chair is really great. Yeah, the price is really high. The chair is going for right now $339, but again, for the build quality I don't really mind paying $339. Now they do have, I believe, two other versions. They have a P1 with the I think leg rest, and also they have E1 and E3. So E1 is basic, and then E3 I think does come with RGB, and then M1 comes with RGB and the two cushion, and I think P1 comes with RGB and also comes with the leg rest. Now real quick, I wanted to show you guys how to assemble this chair. It's really easy, it's not that hard, but as you guys know, my room is really small. Like I don't really have space where I can unbox it and same time like set up the tripod and record it. And as you guys know, I'm just one man show, so I can't really show you guys. So hope you guys do understand. And if you guys do like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want the link where you can buy this chair from, there will be a link in the video description, Amazon affiliate link. If you do use that link, will help me a lot. And that should be it. If you guys have any question, leave in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys next one. Peace.